Behind me is a great deal of history. On one side is a tree that may be 180 years old, and it endures. On the other side is a pile of trash that represents buildings constructed over the last perhaps 60, 70 years. In spite of the fact that the tree stands and endures, we are making way for progress in this camp.
Some of the biggest challenges that we have to face for this project have purely to do with location. You know, we're located out on the west end of Catalina Island, 26 miles off the mainland, so everything that you see here has to get shipped back to the mainland for disposal. One of the other challenges that we had to face for this project was to move a small structure that wasn't slated for demolition. We had to jack up the building, mount braces down on the bottom foundation, and physically haul it away with our backhoe and place it elsewhere in camp.